Hey guys, welcome to Kitchen Porcupine. Today I'm gonna show you how to make vegan and gluten-free oat pancakes. In a bowl, make vegan buttermilk by stirring 360 grams of soy milk and 40 grams of vinegar and letting it sit for about 10 minutes until it's slightly thickened and curdled. Wrap the silken tofu with paper towels and let it sit for about 15 minutes to remove excess moisture. In a bowl, cream the drained tofu with sugar and salt until it becomes smooth. Add extra virgin olive oil and vanilla paste and mix well. Add vegan buttermilk and mix until smooth. In a separate bowl, combine oat flour, baking powder, and baking soda and make sure they are evenly distributed. Add the dry ingredients to the wet ingredients and mix until just combined. Do not overmix the batter. Preheat a non-stick pan over medium-low heat. Lightly grease the pan. Pour about 1 small ladle of batter. Cook for about 2 to 3 minutes until bubbles form on the surface and edges are set. Flip and cook another 2 to 3 minutes until golden and cooked through. These pancakes are more tender than the usual pancakes with eggs and wheat flour, so handle them gently when you flip them. They pair beautifully with fresh berries, bananas, maple syrup, nuts, or a dollop of coconut whipped cream. I hope you enjoy making these delicious vegan and gluten-free oat pancakes and sharing them with someone you love. For the detailed recipe, check out my website at kitchenporcupine.com. Thank you so much for watching and see you guys again soon.